Understanding Use a Body Lotion, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in English, use a body lotion. This might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and cultural context. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it correctly in your daily conversations. Use a body lotion is an imperative sentence, which means it's giving a command or instruction. Let's break it down. Use is a verb, and it means to employ something for a particular purpose. A is an indefinite article, used before a noun to indicate that the noun is non-specific. Body refers to the entire physical structure of a human or an animal. Lotion is a noun, and it refers to a thick, liquid preparation designed to be applied to the skin for medicinal or cosmetic purposes. So, the phrase, use a body lotion, is instructing someone to apply a cosmetic preparation to their skin. Contexts of use. Personal care advice, when giving someone advice on skincare. Instructions, on labels of skincare products, guiding users on how to apply the product. In casual conversation, discussing personal care routines. Pronunciation tips. Focus on the soft pronunciation of T in lotion. Emphasize the O sound in body and lotion. Cultural importance. Skincare is a significant part of many cultures, and using body lotion is a common practice for maintaining healthy skin. Variations. Apply a body lotion can be used interchangeably with use a body lotion. Moisturize your skin is another way to express the same idea. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, use a body lotion. Remember, English is full of phrases that, when broken down, reveal interesting insights into everyday life and culture. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use your body lotion. See you in the next video.